Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Mining ban shows adverse effect across all three sectors of state economy. Economic survey reveals dip in growth rate. CM Parrikar regrets his speech on journalist but no apology. Guj accepts his regret, withdraws their reprobate on CM's remarks. It's my rising from ashes. Former Finance Minister Dayanand Narvekar announces his candidature for North Goa Lok Sabha seat on GDF ticket. CM assures sand mining dependents to resolve their issues soon, promises to bring their business within ambit of law. And coach Wim Kovermans announces arrival of talented young footballers on the scene, praises facilities at Nehru Stadium as India gets set to take on Bangladesh. Now the news in detail. Mining ban is showing an adverse effect across all three sectors of state economy. The economic survey says it all. The state domestic product has shown a direct fall of 1100 crores in the year 2013, the later half of which witnessed imposition of mining ban. The production in the primary sector has dropped by 37% in manufacturing sector. It is 0.22%, while the tertiary sector shows a drop of 22%. Finance Minister Manohar Parrikar, with a tough task ahead, is all set to present the state budget on Wednesday. Economic survey report of 2012-2013 was tabled in Assembly on Tuesday. Mining ban impact is seen across the primary, secondary and tertiary sectors. This year, the economic growth rate has seen an increase of 8.47%. This was in spite of the fact that in 2009-2010, the mining sector had seen a growth rate of around 25%. In 2012-2013, registered a negative growth rate of 68%. This has affected all three sectors. Primary sector registered a growth rate of minus 37%, secondary 0.22% and tertiary sector minus 22%. In 2011 to 2013, primary sector, agriculture and allied activities have seen a growth of almost 1.5%. Government boasts that due to various schemes and subsidies, agriculture sector has seen a growth. Kamdhenu scheme has increased the milk production from 36,000 litres to 81,000 litres. Marine catch stood at 88,000 tonnes. However, the export of fish saw a decline from 43,000 tonnes to 33,000 tonnes. While the bank deposits in the state as on June 2013 stood at 45,000 crores, the credit deposit ratio is just at 29%, showing a poor outsourced credit. The credit deposit ratio has declined as the deposits have risen by 11% and advances just by 4%. Goa Gokak gas pipeline has been commissioned. Goa government is planning to start power generation. Some of the companies have also approached the government, but decision is not yet taken. There are about 7,800 small-scale unit and 191 large-scale units with almost 40,000 employment in last 1 year. Government has cleared proposals for 416 small-scale industries in the state. With economy in crisis, the debt burden is increasing. Lok Sabha polls are just a month away, while the state is facing mining ban. In such scenario, Governor in his address has said that government is thinking about private partnerships. Wednesday, the budget day will say it all. How the Finance Minister Parrikar would take his ambitious and popular schemes ahead. Bureau Report, Prudent. CM Parrikar regrets his speech on journalist but is still not clear on his apology. In a letter to Goa Union of Journalists, he wrote that he regrets if the incident has hurt the journalist fraternity. Guj has accepted Parrikar's regret and withdrawn their reprobate on CM's remarks on journalist.
मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी आज आमकां पत्र धाडलें गोवा श्रमिक पत्रकार संघटनेक की तांणी जे वक्तव्य केल्लें त्याचो खंय तरी चुकीच्या पद्धतीन त्याचो अर्थ लायलो गेलो आणि तांकां तशें जनरलायज कोणाचेर आरोप करपाचें नसलें. सो आणि त्यांनी जर आपल्या वक्तव्या बद्दल जर कोणाक वायट दिसलेलें आसत तर त्यांनी दिलगिरी व्यक्त केलेली आसा आणि ह्या पत्राच्या अनुषंगान आमी आयज आमचें जें आंदोलन आसलें आमी काळे फिती लावन जे विधानसभा कामकाज कवर करपाचें जें डिसिजन घेतलेलें तें डिसिजन आमी फाटीं घेतलें.
गुन्हे गेले म्हूण माफी मागपाक काडी जाय आनी मॅग्नेमिटी स्टार्ट्स एट होम. चीफ मिनिस्टर इज द हेड ऑफ द स्टेट. तेक मॅग्नेमिटी जाल्यार तेगे मिनिस्टरान खंयचे सॉरी म्हणपाक बाबा आपल्या चूक जाली म्हणपाक एका जायना आनी तो लडू 4 जाणां म्हणटा सॉरी. हें कितें म्हाका समजना चीफ मिनिस्टर सांगत हांव सॉरी म्हणटा जाल्यार सारकें म्हणिना जाल्यार म्हणनाका सांग आपण गुण गेला आनी तुमकां दाखयता म्हण आनी.
Such derogatory remarks against the media could be taken as pressurizing the media to behave in a particular fashion which is undemocratic and which will kill the essence of democracy. हें आमी मूव केल्लें आनी म्हाका दिसता की चीफ मिनिस्टराक जर सिन्सियरिटी आसली आतां म्हणटात की ताणें एपॉलॉजी दिली ओ रिग्रेट केलें तें रिग्रेट केलें म्हणून थंय सांगूं येता आसलें. दीस थिंग्स नीड टू बी डिबेटेड आनी मनीस ल्हान जायना आपल्यान जर चूक केली म्हणून सांगलें आनी एडमीट केलें जाल्यार मनीस आनी व्हड जाता एक्चुअली.
This is the letter which is addressed to Goa Union of Journalists. Parrikar writes that he regrets making derogatory comments on journalists and their knowledge. Journalists had demanded apology from the Chief Minister. All journalists attended assembly session, tying black ribbons to their wrist. Guj has withdrawn their condemn on CM's statement, regretting and not apologizing for his comments. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent. It's my rising from ashes. With this statement, former Finance Minister Dayanand Narvekar has announced that he would contest Lok Sabha polls from North Goa. He will contest on Goa Democratic Front's ticket. Narvekar also announced that GDF will contest South Goa seat too. He came down heavily on former Chief Minister Digambar Kamat.
Now I am standing for Lok Sabha North Goa seat on my party and I am putting a candidate in South Goa. You must have heard an interview of Savio who said that all regional parties are coming together. They are planning big. I am happy that they are treating me as one of them. What more you want? It's not a fall down. It's my rising from the ashes. हांगा लोक 2 दीस रावना जाले की मंत्री जाता नाल्यार उडक्यो मारता. 6 years in 34 years.
Why you kept quiet for a long time against this?
You should give everybody a long rope to hang. I am telling you, I am winning the seat with Mr. Digambar Kamat. I was blocked in whole of India to Madam Sonia ji also by this man. With this power, he could do it. Till the last, I could not go. Till the date, 23rd February, the doors were open. You are welcome, you are big man from Indira Gandhi, this and I said, sorry sir, I can't do it.
So when was the last time you were able to meet? Recent,
Yes,
23rd February?
23rd Mare, 22nd, 23rd.
So for the past 4 years, you have been diluted from meeting anybody by the Mr.
My
Kamat.
God, what Congress here? What are you talking about Kamat? Congress is gone. There is battle for Goa. There is battle for your right. There is battle for this place. अरे देख धरती पुकार रही है, धरती पुकार रही है बेटा, मेरा कर्ज तुम कब चुकाएगा?
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.